The rules are the same. You will have 15 seconds to have a look at it. After round number 1, he was on the 3rd place with a time of 27.16. But now, after attempts by some of the competitors in the 2nd round, he's not on the rostrum anymore. So he's not among the best 3 now. Of course, he would like to come back. Will he be able or not? We will see. 3, 2, 1, start. Min Tai, 16 years of age, living in Los Angeles, California. He came to the United States 3 years ago with his family from Vietnam. He first saw the cube in June 1981 and solved it within 7 days of purchase in under 2 minutes. And now 2095. The best ever time achieved here. Congratulations. Congratulations. Come on here. Come here. Come here. Look, all these people are applauding to you.